Welcome to In the Gem Lab 3. A stone has come into the lab to be certified as a tanzanite. The first thing we're going to do is weigh the stone, zero the scale, place the stone on the scale and get the weight. And then check the refractive index to make sure it is a tanzanite. Another way of confirming that the stone is a tanzanite is by using the filter we make, which is handy particularly if the stone is set in jewelry. We must see the two colors, the blue and the violet, and the reddish color through the dark filter for it to pass as a tanzanite. So we know that we have a tanzanite. We need to examine the surface of the stone under the microscope to make sure it hasn't been coated. If the stone has been coated, it is usually on the pavilion, but I have seen it on the crown, which is pretty rare. Our stone is fine with no coating, but I'm going to show you what a coated stone looks like. We use a 150 watt fiber optic light reflected off the surface of the facet. A sign of coating is that pinkish color one sees and this appearance on the surface. Take care though, it isn't always this obvious. We know our stone is a tanzanite and hasn't been coated. To color grade the tanzanite, we compare our tanzanite to transparency to remain consistent in our grading. The grading light is 4500 degrees Kelvin. We have given the stone an 85% color, which is described as very good plus, and an equivalent grade of AAA. We check the clarity grade by using a 10 times magnification loupe and without a loupe. This stone does have slight facet edge abrasions that enter the stone, so the clarity grade would be very likely included. I checked the polish, which is good, and now we check what the symmetry is like. The keel is pretty well centered. The profile from both sides is good, with the table facets well arranged. There isn't a window, otherwise we would penalize the stone for that. Overall, the stone gets a very good finish grade. Thank you for joining us. Be careful out there and remember to be sure of your gemstones and don't take anything for granted.